annoying neighbor and someone who can actually set a house on fire.
He's quite confrontational, and it seems like they constantly kind of fight and get in these little bickers. Is it enough for us to call him an arsonist and a murderer? I think the jury is going to have to settle this one out. But that being said, we've seen where it could escalate. We've seen where it could go bad, and where there may be some motive. So I really thought that the prosecution up until this point has done a good job at showing consistency and some kind of identity, and some kind of motive as to why he would do it, in highlighting, bringing a spotlight to all of these disputes.
Nicole, same question to you, because you heard in that testimony they were fighting over a broken window. What do you think the jury is taking away from that?
I think the prosecution has done an incredible job of setting the stage. Again, these cases can be forensically difficult, arson cases. On the other hand, we have this picture that's being painted by the state of a man who is fine with you as a neighbor until he's not. And you just never know what is going to set him off. And once he is zeroed in on you as a neighbor, you can't bar the door. Your very life could be at risk, and that is what I'm hearing from even this transcript testimony.
Now, both you guys agree the prosecution's been doing a pretty good job, but Matthew, where do you think the prosecution's going to have trouble?
Well, when you have identity, common identity in different multiple scenes, you have to show modus operandi. You're going to have to get into a little bit of character evidence. So showing that consistency is going to be hard. Another thing is you're going to have to show that lightning struck 3 times in the neighborhood, and so really showing the consistency as to the way he carries it out is going to be the hardest thing. It's the biggest uphill battle, but if you do that, you're going to get a conviction in this case.
Well, that trial will pick back up on Wednesday, and of course, we will pick it up from there as well. But we do have to take a quick break, and when we come back, we will talk about what's happening in R. Kelly's trial when we